Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hadian baki nong tray field staff jong ke GVK EMRI 108 Meghalaya kibaran hapo ke Shatri jong ke Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union ki layai dawa na ke Sorkar jela bahkan Pynkha no ya kala ke jong ke emergency cell. Henry nak kaliang jong Myntri ketnat ke Koit ke Khiah ke Sorkar jela uba AL hang ula Kren Shai baka Sorkar jela kamla satya ban Pynkha yala ke jong ke emergency cell namar kadon laki jong kikindon berkirukom trekam. Haka jengkran berkinong patai kubor haka lai puai trek matau benar risau arah ke khandai. Myntri ketnat ke Koit ke Khiah jong kani ke jela ulai tu baka Sorkar kan amla satya ban penurlong ya kani ke jingdawa jong ke kenhon Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union namar ba ke Sorkar kaladap shim ya karai haka bedai baka jing ajing syakri jong ke GVK EMRI 108 haka ni ke jela Meghalaya. Haka ba ya karai onsa shim haka jingelang kaban salong haka shiterik unai wing mentau senam arzakat khandai hapadang ke Sorkar jela bat ki bor penya jong ke GVK EMRI 108.
If in the 60 days does not respond well, then the government will take a call on that. That meeting we had already taken decision whether officially issued or not, then have to be find out from the office their own rules and procedure to follow. Okay, we will all exercise our mind, we'll see. But I've been telling this time and again, I've again reiterated this. The government has no role with the employees because their employees is under the GBK, Emri GBK, not under the government. So that I'm telling you, if we are dead, these are our own citizens. We'll not allow this to happen because it is our own people. Whether it is the hunger workers or the non-workers or anybody, even the student also. Government cannot just see they are going continuously going for the hunger strike. But their demand is not directly with us. It is with the employers who are employing them. Tomorrow also I've called one meeting, but I will not disclose now. Tomorrow we have one more meeting. At 3 p.m. you can come. We discuss about the same issue only. Tomorrow, these people, they said we don't want to come with those agitating stuff. They will come with that NGOs only tomorrow. The FQGP, okay, I will mention it. The FQGP is coming, meeting me tomorrow on the same issue to discuss about this thing. So we'll discuss with KSU also there. We'll discuss with the other organization who wants to meet me. The door of the government is open to discuss. But the rules, the procedure, it has to be followed according to the government rules and procedures. As of now, I cannot tell you anything. But if the situation is like this, us being as a minister of health department are also concerned, equally concerned. Okay, as a health minister and also as the government, we are also concerned for all that because they are our own people only. If they just because they are workers, they doesn't think that they are not our people. Our citizens, the state citizens, the children of our states only. Taking over the government has not thought also on not taking any decision to take over by the government. If suppose now tomorrow we are already issued the termination letter, not the predetermination letter, the government will take the decision whether they are going to be outsourced to the other agency. Whoever can run this services. How they can say that we are against the government, cannot give it to A, cannot give it to B, government cannot do it to C. Like that is purely the decision will be taken by the government. I also fully endorse to what you are saying. The thing is we want to be settled amicably. If everything is going out of hand, then only we have to, in through a spirit, we have to please the ESMA. But now because we want not to make it enforce the ESMA at present, because we want to make amicably settlement. We'll call. Not immediately now alone, I cannot just say yes, I cannot say no, but definitely the government is going to take the call on this issue. Because we have given 60 days, we will wait till the 60 days is over. Anytime government should call, she should resolve and should make that it should not have this kind of situation in our states, particularly for anybody who are the citizens of Meghalaya. If the situation is not permissible, I cannot just go like you may not accept me also there. How will go just put myself in the embarrassed position? I cannot go do that.
Please.
So that has to be given the indent from the organization who's running the ambulances. If they have not given any complaint, how will know that this is ambulances is not running, this is in the deteriorating condition, or this is not functioning? Has to bring the official intimations to the government.
But we were told,
Since
2016 they have already submitted a proposal, but the government is not releasing funds.
That has not come to my knowledge till today. If it has come officially to me, definitely I will tell the department to look after the issue. So also it is not depending entirely on the health department, because we had to take the finance into consideration. The finance department is looked by the Chief Minister.